In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a cabin filter on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located under the dash on the passenger side. Let's get started. Unscrew the two plastic retainers. Pull the felt down. We're going to grab the door by the tab and pull to the outside of the car. This will unlock our door. We can remove it, pull the filter down and out. Here we have our new filter, and we're going to install our door onto this. It can only be installed one way, and leave it in this all the way left position. When we go to lock it in, it'll push to the right. When you install the filter, you're going to install it with the highest point being in the middle of the car. Install the filter into place, pull that door over and lock it into place, pulling it all the way towards the middle of the car. Install the felt piece into place. We're going to tuck this up and under the front. Install the plastic retainers. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.